This is a land kraken. The land kraken. But this is a land kraken.
Hey now, welcome to FreedomSufferer Cards, video number 1015. I sit down, man. And today, I sit. Bam! We will continue the Hurricane Farnum series. Randy, we are still stuck in the eye. We are still getting smashed. And we see that there's work yet to be done. By way of foily party, select 2023-2024. Little footy football rip, Randy. We are talking about the Premier League. Oh, man. You know how this goes, man. I don't watch the Premier League, man. I helped your country the other day, man. Netherlands is not my country. I just live here, Randy. But I did. Look at me split the D there against those Germans, man, who happen to be one of the best teams of all time, man. But they couldn't hold me back, man. Unbelievable, man. Right, Randy. Well, again, here we are, and you're just writing your own script, making your own rules. The Netherlands has nothing to do with the Premier League. You don't know what you're talking about, man. There's plenty of good Dutch players playing in the Premier League, man. Come on, man. That is true, Randy. We may find some Dutch power in the Premier League. We will have a look. But first, I would love to give out a huge shout out to Julie Farnum, who again is making it all possible, who has been destroying me. Absolutely destroying me throughout this series. And the next one is going to be the top loaders after this. But for now, Select is next up. Julie Farnum has an amazing channel. She is an amazing person that does stuff like this. It is unnecessary, but here we are, fending off the kindness blow after blow. Unbelievable, you are bleeding, man. I know, Randy, I am still bleeding. I'm still half in the afterlife. Am I alive right now? Who knows? All I know is I'm enjoying this moment. Oh, man. Round of applause for Julie dang Farnum, man. All right, man. We got our friends here again. The Farnum Kraken. Always welcome. Menacing, yes, but always welcome. Of course, you got Bobby Bloom. I know, Randy, you speak collie. It's all good. I'll understand when I rewatch it with Greeny. We've talked about this. He's a good translator, and Greeny understands every single language in the cosmos, Randy. Oh, wow, man. I believe that, man. Because Greeny is the ultimate being, man. And he's there with his friend Crimsonian Brocculi again, man. That must mean that his son is right there beside the laptop, man, with a message to the world, man. Man. All right, man. All right, Randy, we're going to get right into this. Julie Farnum, she will be in the video description. You will definitely enjoy it if you do not yet know about the amazing Julie Farnum. Now, Randy, I'm using Iron Mike Sharp Skizzer. I see that, man. Without asking me, man. I didn't ask you, but I figured you'd be okay with it. Here's the thing, man. I am okay with it, man. This time, man. Look at this. Look for Blaster exclusive Purple Mojo, Gold Mojo, man. The new Pink Mojo. Pink looks outstanding on cards. I've said this before, Randy. Some of my favorite parallels have been pink. Can we find a pink star power hit? Some kind of PC. Premier League is the one league that I really do not watch much of, aside from the Champions League when they're in there. They usually have a good representation of star power, and of course Man City, they are absolutely loaded with star power. Man U, always Liverpool, West Ham. Oh, man. I know a lot of the teams. I know a lot of the players, but I can't tell you who's first right now. That's for sure. Would not know that. Nick Pope. The Pope, man. All right, man. Love that, man. We got Cole Palmer. Wow, man. Crazy stuff there, man. We're getting a phone call mid-rip. My apology. We've got a Moussa Diaby. Bam! Purple Mojo, man. We got Dan Burn, man. Feel the flames there, man. Burn the flame, man. Burn the flame. Gallagher, great tune. What a great tune that is, Randy. We're talking Return of the Living Dead, man. Great soundtrack, man. Burn the flame, man. That's nothing. I don't think he knows that tune. But you never know. Here we go. Upside down, man. Christian Romero. All right, man. That's George Romero's great-grandfather, man. It is not Bobby Bloomcoal, man. There he is again, man. That's not Bobby Bloomcoal. That's Bobby de Cordova Reed. Bam! Bruno Guimaraes. You don't know him, I don't know him, man. Oh. Look at this unstoppable foily dang party of Moussa Diaby. Very nice Austin Villa, man. Who is the great-grandfather of Austin Matthews, man? It's not Austin, it's Aston, and no. Again, Randy, it is not. I just noticed something here. Why are all of these? The tops are normal, and then this one's got the color. Is that... Oh, that's the mezzanine. Mezzanine! Frederick Modine and Matt Sundin, man. Great line mates, man. Andy. Mezzanine, Modine, and Sundin. They never played together. There is no mezzanine. We just saw the mezzanine, man. You are absolutely embarrassing yourself, man. We go. Marcos Senisi. Josh Brownhill. There's your no such thing as mezzanine, man. Look at that, man. You embarrass you, man. We're not talking about the same thing. Luis Diaz. There you go. Very nice. Liverpool. Bam! Christian Romero. Again, man. We're talking George A. Romero's grandfather, man. Tottenham Hotspurs. No, we are not, Randy. That's a beautiful card. Is that... They are the same? One's mezzanine? Again, of course they're not the same, man. This is mezzanine, man. Played a good few years with Mets, man. Sure, Randy, we'll just leave it, alright? We'll just leave it at that. 3 packs left. In what has been an awesome foily party. Jeremy Doku, Star Pill. Great player from Belgium. How about that one? Austin Trusty, man. Trust me, man. Trust me, man. Andy. Oh, Alfonso Areola. Very nice. West Ham. Oh, man. We got a Rasmus Højlund. Future. Man, you. Very nice card. Dribble cross to the header. Dribble cross to the header. Got some promise. Speaking of header, 2 more packs to go. When France and Italy we will do a quick review. I remember, yeah. Italian dude. That's if you could find Worf, man. I haven't seen him in a long time, man.
Headed to the chest.
João Pedro, Portuguese, power, man.
Take a rest.
And, man. Anthony Alonso, how about him, man?
You can take a rest now.
Next up, Randy, we got a James Garner.
Rest now.
Very nice.
Peace mode.
Yeah.
Headed to the chest.
Purple.
Permanent
Purple Mojo of Moises Caicedo, man. Who's this Caicedo? I don't know him.
footy football.
These cards look unbelievable. Field level.
Soccer, football, foosball.
Look at this cool
Kicking
insert.
some balls is fun for all.
Field level. Purple Mojos. One pack to go, Randy. Hopefully you have all been wearing some potent shades that could handle these kinds of rays. This kind of foily madness. It is bright and relentless. And here we go. Enzo Fernandez. Alonso, man. And Dominic Solanke. How about him, man? And wow, look at this one, man. Pink rookie. We hit a pink parallel. It's a rookie of Wilson Odebek. Burnley, our last card, is a rookie of Carlton Morris. I have heard of Carlton Morris, but again, I do not know much of him. I will have to check out who the best rookies were. That is a nice looking rookie card. Oh, by looks alone, again, the pink is going to take it. Like, what a beautiful card. This is serious foily madness. Very nice. All right, man. Whoa! Captain! Cards are going to spit out for you, Captain. Thank you, Worf. All right. Well, we had a nice, not too generous base pile. And in this base pile, not a single rookie here. But there will be some, but not in this mezzanine pile. The mezzanine pile, you said, didn't exist, man. Andy, talking about different things, but yes, this mezzanine, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mezzanines. Mezzanines, he says now, man. Unbelievable, man. And there they are, man. Not a single rookie there either, man. However, Randy, we did manage to get some rookies, because rookies that are not base rookies are even better. But first, we had this field level. Very nice looking card. One of 2 field levels, the other one was a purple mojo. Look at this, Randy. We had a nice prism. Couple of inserts here. Futures of Rasmus Højlund. We've got a rookie right there. That's another rookie. That one was a Select Stars rookie. This is not a rookie, but he is unstoppable. And a very nice looking insert. Little purple mojo. Foily, epic foily party. Mezzanine purple mojo. That doesn't exist, man. Look at this. Moises Caicedo. Field level purple mojo. This rookie, which is the best rookie, also best looking card, and it happens to be numbered, man. How did we miss that, Randy? Numbered to 325. The clear winner of the box. Beautiful cards. I cannot say it enough. Select does an amazing job with their cards. However, all those mezzanines are bowed. Unbelievable. Show them, man. I don't believe you, man.
watching
Well,
everything,
here is a normal base. And then you got the mezzanine.
keeping them under control.
Wow, man! That's like the hockey stick curve, man. Gives you a good wrist shot. How about Panini? You were smart enough, man. Danger zone type of thing we're talking, man. Well, we know Randy Panini always brings the beautiful foily party. They are amazing looking cards. Vote or not, I always have a good time. Uh-huh, man. I do too, but how about Panini, man? Just hear me out, man. Hear me out, Panini, man. How about you stop including free hockey blades in your picks, man? Because if they're not good blades, man. I've tried playing hockey with that curve, man. The first shot's alright, man, but going against the concrete, man, not good, man. So just don't include them at all, man. How about that one, man? Randy, one day, I'll attempt that. I'll take a wrist shot with one of those boat cards one day, but not today, and not with these beauties. Oh, man, we're on, man. Thank you so much again, Julie Farnum. Epic rack to date. Cannot wait. We have top loaders up next, and after that, maybe I'll do the prism. Maybe I'll do the prism box next. We don't know, and save the top loaders for last. How about that? I don't know, man. It's your funeral, man. So it's all good, man. It's all good, man. All right, we'll see. We'll see what's next. Either the top loaders or a prism. But anyway, take good care of yourselves and take good care of those around you, including Freedom, man. Take care of Freedom. How about you leave a comment saying this or that or something rather, man? Come on, man. That's the type of stuff that avoids the actual danger zone, Randy. Uh-huh, man. You wouldn't want any, static, man. No, man. Not from Bobby Blue, man. Oh, man. He just doesn't stop, man. And I can speak a good amount of collie, man. And I will see you all soon.
Land cracking. Land cracking in the house. Isn't satisfied with a mouse. Biting corners of the cards.
Tom Wilson over here.
Leaving cards in shards. Land cracking. Land cracking. Land cracking. Land cracking.
Yeah, give it a good chew.
Biting corners of the cards.
Move it over there.
Is too much attraction. Leaving cards in shards. Is the way of the Kraken. Good green legs pulling 101s. Modern vintage, it's all a lot of fun. Sheet packing, land cracking. Sheet packing, land cracking. Real takes it through these breaks. Shoutouts to the pod crew.